Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get logged into Best Buy credit card account. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to stick till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to open a web browser on your PC. Now there in the URL bar, type in Best Buy credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. Now from the search result, tap on the very first link and there you will be directly taken to its login interface. If you haven't registered your card yet, you can tap on this register your card button and follow the on-screen instruction to get registered your card. Now once your card gets registered, type in your username and password here. If in case you have forgotten either your user ID or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on this retrieve user ID or reset password link. And if you want the system to remember your user ID, you can tick this square box. But if you're using others or shared device, then leave this box unchecked as it is. Now, once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on sign on button. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Best Buy credit card account online. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I will be back with more videos like this.